Hola mi gente and welcome back to the channel. This is Sean from We Are Investing, and on this video we're going to talk about how much I made off of NFTs this week. Now first and foremost, I am not an artist. I am not a digital artist. I'm not a regular artist either. I'm just a Joe Smo who makes YouTube videos on investing. So unfortunately, I don't have the time or talent to create a digital collection of NFTs like people did and sell it for 69 million US dollars. And from what I've been seeing, you either need to be really good at creating digital art or you need to be famous in order to sell NFTs. Otherwise, nobody is going to buy your crap. And just a little side note here, it is kind of annoying that the rich just get richer. These NFTs are the epitome of the rich getting richer. You have someone who is famous, they just create an NFT off a photo that they already have, sell it for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and call it a day. That is why so many celebrities are getting involved with NFTs, because it's easy money for them. Very little work, and they get a ton of money for it. And it seems like an absolute bubble, to be completely honest, but it's working right now. People are buying NFTs and they're selling them to the next highest bidder. People are trading NFTs and they're making money off of it. But eventually, all good things come to an end. The bubble is going to burst and somebody is going to be left holding the bag. That is how it always ends up. Now, NFT stands for non-fungible token. And basically what that means is that the object is unique and it can't be replaced by something else. And at a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but it offers unique features. And the smart contracts and the coding within the Ethereum blockchain allow it to sell things like NFTs. Now this just goes to show the power of Ethereum and why Ethereum might be a good investment. If you're investing in Bitcoin or you want to get involved in cryptocurrencies, then maybe you should start looking at Ethereum as well. Because in my personal opinion, over the last couple of months, we've seen the power that Ethereum can provide. And surprisingly, even with this whole NFT craze, the price of Ethereum has not gone up by much. It's actually dropped. Now, I've been buying a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum pretty much every single day. Just a small amount in chunks because cryptocurrencies can be extremely volatile. So if you spread out the amount of days that you're buying, you're cutting out the volatility. So I just buy a little bit here, buy a little bit there. I'm not worried about the volatility. I'm just building up a position for myself. So I'm no artist, I don't have a huge following. How the hell did I make money off of NFTs? And how much money did I make off of them this week? That is why you're watching this video. Well, I made the money doing what I always do, why I created this channel, investing and trading stocks in the stock market. But these stocks were different. These stocks were companies that are dealing with NFTs. The NFT craze isn't just for the NFTs themselves. It's for anything dealing with NFTs, except for Ethereum, of course, because you saw that chart and the stock or the price of Ethereum did not go up by much. Now, the best part of this strategy is you don't need to be a crazy good digital artist. You don't need to be famous. You just need to know how to buy and sell stocks. And with Robinhood, that can be extremely easy if you know what to look for. And I even go as far as just pointing out what stocks are dealing with NFTs before they popped through my Patreon. I provided posts to the Patreon members pre-market hours before these stocks went absolutely berserk. Now, if you're interested in joining the Patreon, a link is provided down below. It gives you access to follow the portfolio, and better than that, you also get access to join a Discord server of over 400 investors where we learn from each other and grow from each other, and we talk stocks on the daily. It's a great way to surround yourself with like-minded individuals to learn and trade the stock market, and it's also a great way to sharpen your tools. And it's only $5 a month. And honestly, if you got into even one of these picks, that $5 would have been paid for 10 times over. But as you can see from these posts, there are a lot of NFT stocks. And the ones that performed the best for me were HOFV and WKey. Now, I posted about WKey in pre-market hours on March 24th, and I posted about HOFV on March 18th, also in pre-market hours. And from those stocks alone, over the last week, we were able to make $16,412. And today alone, just off of WKey and HOFV, we were able to lock in gains of $5,738. And as you can see from this list of trades here, and all of these were included in the Patreon post as well, you can see that the top gainers were APQT at 7,800. That was just in like 30 minutes. The stock went berserk as soon as it opened up. Then we also have WKey at $4,790. That was just in one day alone. We have HOFV at $1,840. That was the span of about a week's time. Then we also have TCAT, OCG, CLIS, ZKIN, WinR, and VISL. All of those are dealing with NFTs. And like I said, all of these stocks went up because they provided press releases that mentioned NFTs within the press release itself. An example is this one that was provided by HOFV. They signed a partnership with Dolphin Entertainment, and the company will begin offering NFTs to maximize the value of original content. And WKey also provided a press release today that included NFTs. Now, very little data is provided in these press releases, and there is no doubt in my mind that these companies are using the keyword, the buzzword NFTs, to stir up hype in the stock and drive the share price higher. Most of these companies, probably almost every single one of them, are not going to end up being good investments, but they are good trades because right now there is a huge bubble with NFTs. And if you know what you're doing, there is a great opportunity to make quick money, which I hate saying because the stock market is not supposed to be a tool to make quick money, but I'm not going to fight it. If it's going to offer quick money, then I am more than happy to take that money. Now, this opportunity is only going to be available for so long. Eventually, the bubble is going to burst, and you do not want to be left holding the bag. Also, you have to be very stern in your fundamentals and your mentality. You cannot get ahead of yourself here. If you start making some money off a couple trades, don't start investing or trading more money. Stick to a certain amount of dollars that you're willing to lose. Know how much you're willing to lose. Go in with a game plan and do not get full of yourself here. But that wraps it up, guys. I'm going to continue to do this as long as the opportunity is there. I don't know how much longer it's going to last, but that wraps it up for this video. If you like this video and the content that I am providing, please consider returning the favor by hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button, and add a comment down below. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. Even if it's just a quick hello, I definitely appreciate it. And you know the deal. If you want to join the community, please do so. We would love to have other investors join the community. A link to the Patreon is provided down below. But I'll catch you guys on the flip side. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing. And together, we are invincible. See ya.